in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your display or system language on your Dell Latitude laptop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select time and language on the left panel, and then on the right side, select where it says language and region. Where it says preferred languages, select the add a language button. Locate your language that you prefer on the list and then select next to proceed. And then once it is installed and you just follow along with the on-screen directions, there will be an option where it says Windows Display Language to select this drop-down menu. Select it and then select the preferred language you want your system to be displayed as. You will need to restart your computer once that is done in order to save the change and make it effective, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.